another video. Oh, babe, you know I always do like this. I'm sorry, boo. Alright guys, we are back with another reaction video. We are going to be reacting to, now if I don't pronounce this right,
get on your ass.
blame him.
Hey, who?
You.
What?
Because you didn't want to say it.
I did say it. I'll tell you what to say.
Okay guys, we're going to be reacting to Lyrikal and PatriceRoberts, Criminal Wine.
Official music video.
Official music video.
Boy, I feel like making like that one, you know. Criminal Wine. I look like I'll be a dancing, I go on my knees.
All I heard is a lot of dancing going on.
As I said, based on the title, I feel like it's gonna be a lot of dancing.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah.
that's what we like. The wine, you know, that's what we like.
Yeah, whatever he just said. Yeah, that's what we like.
Guys, my allergies is kicking me. So hey, if y'all see me sneezing and running my nose like this, don't mind me, please. Alright.
Okay. Alright guys, so we're finna get into this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post any and all videos. And yeah, we finna get straight to this
video right now, man. Let's go.
Let's go.
I don't know what this is though.
Hey, what is a vibe?
Hey, I'm back with it. Caribbean best beat in the world. I'm back with it. Say what? 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 As I thought, but I agree with it. We got the best beat in the world.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Not a permission slip. Oh, the disrespect. It said a permission slip.
I'm trying to see what the rest said. Wine.
Wine.
Something.
That's pretty like lady. Okay. Wait, is this the same lady?
The day before?
Yeah, and she dated. She had okay.
Yeah. That's what I said. Based on the title, we can have some spicy up in here. Spicy.
Spicy. Oh, I like her hair.
You got the hair like that? Like that?
I do my hair like that. Hey.
What's it?
Got on.
What's it right here?
English something.
What's it in?
Hey.
Do what?
I can do that split like that.
No, you can't.
I can do it, but I'm not doing it right now because I got on jeans and they're a little bit too tight.
Even if you have on jeans. Yeah, that bust out there. You're in it right there, so.
Oh, the bust today?
Yeah, that bust it out.
No, I used to be a cheerleader.
What you said?
I was a cheerleader.
No, before that.
I was a cheerleader.
Okay, I was a cheerleader. I used to be a cheerleader. How long?
I am a cheerleader.
How long? How long you was a cheerleader?
About
10 years ago? Something about that, right? 10 years? Yeah, what 10 years? Okay.
No.
You do that? What? What?
Y'all always give me what?
You do that split. You gonna stay in that split for a couple of hours.
Babe, you trying to say I'm not flexible?
Huh?
I'm flexible.
We're talking about split right here.
Yeah, flexible. You gotta be flexible to do a split sometimes.
But we're just talking about a split. We're just talking about a specific split right here, okay?
I can do a split.
If you do that split, you're gonna stay in. No, you gonna stay in that position He got baby, call doctor. I think I bust my bones out, baby.
I think I bust my bones out. Whatever.
When this play a dancing, I'm mad, this, you know?
What?
What's Skilly Ben say? Everything get fucked when I reach.
What the hell did you just say?
Yeah, man, when this play a music in the madness, girl get breathe at party. But them said Caribbean, well, they said Jamaicans, but they said we have, what is it? That dance like we having sex, something like that? Yeah. Everything I get breathe.
Who?
Yeah?
What? Yeah, Shit.
I'm talking about if they play a song at a party.
Okay, well, I'm gonna play this song every night then.
Huh?
I'm gonna play this song every night. We're gonna have our own little party.
That's fine. But now I get breathed though.
Yeah, I know. Whatever. Whatever.
She said hold on to her like she don't like we don't have a girl, so I can't hold on to her.
No.
No, because you got a girl.
I'm at a party though.
What that
I'm
mean?
enjoying myself.
What that mean? You better enjoy yourself with a wall.
You want me to stand there and dance to the wall?
Dance to the wall.
What's the point of me go to the party?
I don't know. You tell me. But you gonna be dancing with that wall. What?
Huh?
What you say?
I was talking to my inner self.
Yeah, you and your inner self finna get it.
I know we finna get it. Down with it, yeah. We finna get
Down with it.
Yeah.
Whatever.
I go 50 time, Lyrikal, stay by my side, yeah. Come let me ride, like Bonnie and Clyde. If you like, yeah, I can make you feel nice. We could jump all that.
Same thing.
Like a headlight.
So they finna rent that house from like that's a club, right? It looks like it.
It look like a
And all them people, they just probably say, hey, everybody come, or they probably tell everybody this is what they gonna do.
No, I'm pretty sure like they just tell them, hey, y'all just vibe, y'all just have fun and dance.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Take it out and go with the flow.
Give me. I go see like wine like a criminal. Hey, you got one like a criminal for me?
Huh?
You got one like a criminal for me?
Yeah, I want like a criminal.
Hmm?
Yeah, I want. When I saw the title of this video, I literally was thinking about wine. Did you drink criminal wine? I didn't know they were talking about dancing wine. I didn't know that at all.
I think my nose felt that one too.
Yeah, I'm sorry I'm yarning.
My nose felt that one too.
Whatever, like I legit thought they was talking about actual wine, like criminal wine.
She didn't hear what I said based on the title. It's gonna be some dancing going on in this video.
I heard that. But I'm saying when I saw the title, I actually thought they was talking about wine. Like
me know what say react to Freya song already, you know. So me don't know what say I saw madness going on in this video. You see me? Me don't know.
No, I don't see you, nigga. I don't see you. I don't see nothing. What you just said.
See me. You see me. Never say you see me.
You say you see me?
You see me.
You see me?
You understand what I'm saying?
No, I don't.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Stop. Oh my God. You stressing my nose out, bro.
What you just said, man?
Stressing my nose out.
What you
I said we reacted to her video before, so I already know. I see the title. I already know. There's gonna be a lot of dancing and all that stuff going on.
Okay, so say it in your tongue.
No, it's not a video. I'm not saying that over again.
Ooh, my bad, baby. Man, I said that again.
Guys, I cooled you. You know.
I cooled you not. I cooled you not.
You know what? I ain't gonna say that. I'm just gonna Millie rock your shit next time.
Whatever. Oh, I didn't see this 2018 Soca. That's like dance, right? Like a dance
I
type.
said that when the video started.
I know, but I didn't see 2018.
Where your brain there? Where your brain there? Where there today? Like Trey saying some God.
My brain on food. I want some food.
Like Trey
I want
saying,
to
wait this morning. Wait this morning.
Juice. No coffee.
They eat juice. They eat coffee.
I drank juice. I mean, I drank coffee.
So you're not getting actual food there?
I ate a kolache.
You eat something. Me not eat nothing. My brain's still there.
I ate one of them little ones though.
You still eat something.
You
still eat me. Wait a minute. You still eat something.
Yeah.
So when you mean your brain for come back together.
Okay.
Alright.
Funny.
Sure. Yeah.
Criminal.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Let me watch the criminal.
Lyrikal. Oh yeah. Say I love the girl. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey. Hey. Oh shoot.
Shillings, Mother Road.
I like that. I can vibe with that one right there. That one right there.
Mother Road, man.
Mother Road, man. Sick. Sick. Hey guys, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.